artificial intelligence. Taking the guesswork out of dental care with the artificial intelligence. MIT alumni founded Overjet Analysis and annotates dental X-ray to help dentists offer more comprehensive care. Then next, robots play with play tough. A new system lets robots manipulate soft deformable material into various shapes from visual inputs, which could one day enable better home assistance. Researchers releases open source photo realistic simulator for autonomous driving. MIT scientists unveiled unveiled the first open source simulation engine capable of constructing realistic environments for deployable training and testing of autonomous vehicles. Then, seeing the whole from sum of parts. A new technique in computer vision may enhance our three-dimensional understanding of two-dimensional images. And artificial neural networks model face processing in STEEP. A new computational model would explain differences in recognizing facial emotions. Engineers build Lego-like artificial intelligence chip. The new design is stackable and reconfigurable for swapping out and building an existing sensor and neural network processor. Student-powered machine learning. Recent mechanical engineering graduates reflect on their application-focused research as applied of the MIT IBM Western Artificial Intelligence Lab (AI Lab). Colin Stultz, named co-director and MIT lead of the Harvard-MIT program in health sciences and technology. MIT professor will leverage his research into machine learning and computer science as well as his role as a practicing cardiologist toward educating clinicians, scientists and engineers. Hallucinating to better text translation. A machine learning method imagines what a sentence visually looks like to situate and ground its semantics in the real world, improving translation like a humans can. Inaugural day of AI brings new digital literacy to classroom worldwide. Thousands of children participate in MIT developed artificial intelligence curriculum. In bias we trust. Explanation method that help users determine whether to trust machine learning model predictions can be less accurate for disadvantaged subgroups. A new study finds In diversity, the key to collaboration, new AI artificial intelligence research suggests so a new training approach yields artificial intelligence that adapts to diverse play styles in a cooperative game. In what could be a win for human AI teaming. Early sound exposure in the form shapes auditor system. Modeling study suggests that the muffled environment in vitro permits the brain ability to interpret some types of sound. President Gordon Thorlacius Johnson of Iceland visits MIT. Delegation meets campus leaders with an eye toward artificial intelligence applications and the Icelandic language. Artificial intelligence predicts patients' race from their medical images. Study shows artificial intelligence can identify self-reported race from medical images that contain no indications of race detectable by human experts. Living better with algorithms. Graduate student Sarah Sen explore the interplay between humans and artificial intelligence systems to help build accountability and trust. Can artificial intelligence overcome the challenges of healthcare system? MIT and Mass General Brigham researchers and physicians connect in present to bring artificial intelligence into mainstream healthcare on the road to cleaner, greener, and faster driving. Researchers use artificial intelligence to help autonomous vehicles avoid idling at the red lights and technique protects privacy when making online recommendations. Researchers the device an efficient protocol to keep a user's private information secure when algorithms use it to recommend products, songs, or shows. Question and answer. Cherish Fracos and the equations at the heart practically everything. Have a question about a numerical differential equation? Odds are Keisel research applied has already addressed it. Unpacking black box models. Researchers create a mathematical framework to evaluate the explanations of machine learning models and quantify how well people understand them. And then artificial intelligence system learns concepts shared across video, audio, and text. A machine learning model can identify the action in a video clip and label it without the help of humans. Yet, A1 upon motion capture, a new neural network approach captures the characteristics of physical system dynamic motion from video recorders in rendering configuration or image differences. Engineers use artificial intelligence to capture the complexity of breaking waves. Their model predictions should help researchers improve ocean climate simulations and for the design of offshore structure. How can we reduce the carbon footprint of global computing? Workshop hosted by MIT Climate and Sustainability Consortium, MIT IBM, Western AI Lab, and MIT Schwarzman College of Computing highlights how new approaches to computing can save energy and help the planet. Again, Aging Brain Initiative Awards fund 5 new ideas to study fight neurodegeneration. Competitive seed grants launch year-long investigations of novel hypotheses about potential causes, biomarkers, treatments of Alzheimer's and ALS. Machine learning harnessed extreme computing aids fusion energy development, a smart way to develop new drugs. Uh, this is machine learning harnessed to extreme computing aids fusion energy development, linking techniques from machine learning with advanced numerical simulations. MIT researchers take an important step into state-of-the-art predictions for fusion plasmas, a smarter way to develop new drugs. A new artificial intelligence technique only proposes candidate molecules that can actually be produced in a lab. Estimating the informativeness of data. MIT researchers can now estimate how much information data are likely to contain in a more accurate and scalable way than previous methods, and easier way to teach robots new skills. Researchers have developed a technique that enables a robot to learn new pick and place tasks with only a handful of human demonstration, taking the guesswork out of dental care with artificial intelligence. MIT alumni founded overjet analysis and annotates dental X-rays to help dentists offer more comprehensive care. When you picture a hospital radiologist, uh, you might think of a specialist who sits in a dark room and spends hours boring over X-rays to make diagnosis. Contrast that Contrast that with your dentist who is addition in interpreting X-rays must also perform surgery, manage data, manage staff, communicate with the patients, and run their business. When dentists analyze X-rays, they do so in bright rooms and on computers that are not specialized for radiology, often with the patient sitting right next to them. Is it any wonder uh, that the dentist given the same X-ray might propose different treatments? Dentists uh, are doing great job. Uh, Great job given all the things they have to deal with is says warden in a SM13 PhD 16. I am Inam is the co-founder